Here's a 2010 Nissan Maxima. With sedan practicality and sports coupe power, this Maxima makes performance a four-door word. It's well equipped with the features you need: integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and V6 engine. Cars.com explains the Nissan Maxima succeeds because it doesn't equate lots of interior space to whale-like exterior dimensions, making it enjoyable to drive. Nissan, built for the human race. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.